Date of report in relation to quality control. The date selected by the practitioner to date the report. Sometimes for seeing the quality of the when a management control, they may appoint a quality control in quality management of accounting, quality of the product they produce, quality of their internal control, quality of their system control, quality of their information system, everything. When the information that specialized person you sign the report, the date and vacation to date the report, to sign the report, and then that is the date of the report of the quality control. At the same time, date of the auditor report is same thing. When after completing the auditor, when the auditor complete the audit and he creates UDIN, then that date is date of auditor report. So date of financial statement, what is the date of financial statement is the date of end of the month, that is 31st March of the year. That is the date in which financial statements will be there. Date of financial statement are issued na, the date that the auditor report and audited financial statements are made available to third party. That is what shareholders, if they get the report, then that is the day of which they get the report.